Hello everyone, in this video, I'll be talking about features of Praana, the portable light and power bank, and provide instructions on how to use this product. I'm an outdoor enthusiast and I like to go on multi-day trekking and camping trips. And whenever I go out on adventures, I like to travel light and I like to travel with Praana. The reason I like Praana over other power banks is because it's very portable and lightweight, not like those heavy brick-like power banks. Praana comes with bright LED lights, so I don't need to carry a flashlight. It's also very durable, high quality, and comes with a convenient stand that I can place anywhere. And since I care a lot about the environment, the coolest feature for me is the 7-watt solar panel that's included in the kit. Few power banks have built-in solar panels as well, but their panel is so small in size that they can generate only a small fraction of their total energy from the sun and depend mainly on the electrical grid for charging. For Praana, on a good sunny day, the big 7-watt solar panel can generate enough solar energy to charge Praana completely. So it's good for multi-day, off-grid trekking and for emergency survival scenarios. We'll now see what comes inside the Praana box. Inside the box, you get the Praana, a solar panel, the USB-C to USB-A cable, a USB-C to USB-A adapter, 3 hooks, and a user manual.
You can use the provided USB-C to USB-A cable to charge Praana with the solar panel,
or you can use your mobile phone's USB plug adapter to charge it electrically. It comes with 3 hooks. 1 hook to hang Praana, and 2 hooks for your solar panel, which have built-in holes for them like this. To charge your mobile phone with Praana, it is recommended to use the USB-C cable that comes with your mobile phone. If your mobile cable has a thicker USB-A connector, then you can use the adapter to charge your mobile device. Now I'm going to walk you through how to use Praana. On the right side of Praana is the power button. To power it on and off, press the power button and hold it for 2 seconds. Important note, all functions, including charging Praana and your mobile device, will happen only when Praana is powered on. There are 2 USB-C ports. The input port on the side is for charging Praana, and the bottom output port is for charging your mobile phone. Do not mix these up. Always make sure to charge Praana with the input port, and always make sure to charge your mobile device with the output port. Important note, many mobile phones will not charge with power banks if their charge level is already above the 80% mark. There are multiple LED indicator lights that provide information about the state of Praana. The leftmost is the power indicator light. The 5 blue LED lights on the left indicate battery level and connection status. The 5 green LED lights on the right indicate input power intensity. First, click and hold the power button. The first 2 seconds showcase Praana's battery status. Then, the blue lights switch to the connection status indication. The leftmost red light indicates that Praana is powered on and ready to go. When Praana is about to run out of battery, the red light will start flashing. It's time to charge the device. The 5 LEDs on the right show the intensity of the input power when charging Praana. When charging with solar, you can adjust the solar panel orientation to get the highest number of LEDs to be on. To turn on the light, press the light button. Press once for low intensity, again for medium, again for high, and once again to turn off the light. If the light is on while you're also mobile charging, only the medium and low light intensity modes will be available. Praana has been granted an eco-charging patent from the US Patent Office. With this technology, Praana transfers solar energy directly to the mobile device instead of storing it in the battery itself. If generated solar energy is less than required by the mobile, the internal battery supplements it, and otherwise, if there is excess solar energy generated, then the excess is stored in the battery. This way we maximize direct use of solar energy in real time. Praana is the first device in the world to use this effective green technology. There are a bunch of power-saving features. Praana will power down automatically after 5 minutes of inactivity, or when it's fully charged. Or turn off this USB mobile charging port if not used. In this case, you need to power on Praana again. When Praana is running out of power, the LED light will switch to low level. Also, the corner power red LED will start flashing. Now we will discuss some safety instructions while handling Praana. It has a 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery, same as a mobile phone battery. Don't abuse or damage the product. Don't use it if it's damaged. Don't expose it to extreme temperatures or fire. Praana is also water resistant. Make sure to close the USB flaps before it is exposed to water to ensure no water goes inside the USB-C ports. Lastly, a few important points for optimal battery usage. Charge it fully when you first receive Praana, and then make sure to charge it at least once every 3 months. Well, I hope you learned a few cool things about Praana from this video, and I have one question for you. Are you ready to start your Praana journey and make your next adventure bright and sustainable? Buy a Praana today.